Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Instagram Reels ads. Want to promote Instagram Reels to reach more people? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Instagram Reels ads step by step. The first step is to open Meta Ads Manager. And to do that, just go to your web browser. Just gonna use Chrome for this one. And then go to business.facebook.com. As you can see here, this is the website. And log in using your account. After that, click on create to start a new ad campaign. Now after that, choose an objective. Select engagement or traffic if you want more views, and choose conversion if you're selling a product. The third step is to select Instagram's reel placement. Under placements, choose manual placement and select Instagram Reels, and check other placements if you want only Reels ads. As for the fourth step is to upload your reel. And to do that, click on add media and add video and upload your reel. And make sure your video is 19 to 16 ratio vertical and under 60 seconds. As for the fifth step is to set a budget and an audience. And to do that, choose a daily and lifetime budget and set your target audience by age, location and interests. And now for the sixth and final step, publish and monitor performance by clicking on publish to launch your ad and go to Ads Manager to track views and engagements and conversions. For additional tips, use high quality videos to grab attention and add a clear to call call to action like shop now or learn more, and test different audiences to see what works best. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to set up Instagram Reels ads. Use this strategy to reach a larger audience and grow your brand. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.